Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researches, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socioeconomic development. Goals: Number 1. Produce competent graduates. Number 2. Foster strong linkage and network. Number 3. Synergize human capital. Core values: M. Moral uprightness. O. Optimism. N. Nationalism. C. Compassion. E. Adaptability. S. Service. And D. Teamwork.